Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ingress timeout error on Instagram, right? So basically, we get this error when we try to log in from third-party mobile application or on a third-party server, for example, when you're streaming or somewhere. So basically, this is not a very big error. The timeout means the connectivity between your Instagram ID to Instagram server, they are not able to define a proper connection between them, right? That's why we are getting this ingress timeout error, stream ID, right? So we have to do one thing. We have to just restart our phone, right? So after restarting your phone, if you get this same error once again, you have to do one thing. You have to just hold, and then you have to just go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, okay? Just click on the storage usage here, clear all the cache. After clearing all the cache, this may fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to click on clear data, and after clearing data, it will delete and unload all the wasteful data that is present in your Instagram, and because of it you are getting this error. So it will completely fix it out, right? And you have to just re-log in into Instagram, and that's it guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.